This is the Mini 5. I think this came out in September of 2025, and I just recently found out about it. Just like most things, I found the drone on Amazon along with this case. This was about $25, but it fits quite well. This is the RC2. It did not come with the drone, but I had this from my Neo. Battery charger I found on eBay for $26. Comes with a torch, well, flashlight, and I bought an extra battery. This is the Battery Plus that I bought. That was about 60 bucks. This is the DJI Mini 5. Just like all minis, this supposedly is under 250 grams. I don't have a scale, and I don't really care. Alright, let's unfold. So the cool thing with this drone, as soon as you unfold the back propeller, it comes on. And then just like all mini drones, you just unfold the props, and then there it sits. I don't really have anything that references the size, but that's it. And I'm not going to say it too loud, but I think all these minis look like a frog's of some sort. And then, as I was saying, this is the RC2. This thing was about 3 times the price of the Neo, but I never had a radio with a built-in screen, so I'm pretty excited about it. It's not the fastest to boot up, but it'll work. And it automatically goes into the DJI Fly app, and it's ready to go. Ta-da-da. Now all I need to do is get a few more satellites from the drone. As you can tell, we're still currently indoors. And even indoors, we were able to get a home point recognized. But we'll pop it outside and do a little flying. There we go. Chris, are you out there? That's my spotter, because I'm shutting the door, staying indoors. Chris has a jacket, I don't. On the RC2, select screen recording. Little icon appears on the bottom, and now we're doing screen recording. Let's see here. 20 satellites, takeoff permitted. There's a couple ways of taking off. We all know that. I usually do the default. Chris will make sure we don't get into any issues or trouble out there while he's my spotter. The drone is pretty quiet. And here we go. Home point updated. All right. We'll stay there a minute or two. Okay. And then we'll get up a little altitude. And then this has the DJI Mini 5. I think like the Mini 4 Pro has obstacle avoidance 360 degrees. You can turn that off. I have it set to bypass, which it'll go around obstacles, or you can select brake, which it'll come to a stop. So it's pretty convenient to have that immediately on the screen. So let's go up a little bit. We're at 81% battery. I haven't fully charged this battery. And we'll do a little recording from the drone. Give you that aspect as well. I like to keep the histogram on. There's a couple of neat features about this drone. That refers to some quick shots. And then there's another new feature that will allow the camera to roll. And then this is the feature of rolling your footage. It's the weirdest thing ever. And then when you want to straighten up, you just press the 0 and you're back to it. So let's see, 200 feet, let's come down a little bit. And then we'll demonstrate that again. We'll move forward and roll. Just to give you a little perspective of what you can do with this here. Back to 0. And there's quick shots, but we're not going to demonstrate all that here at the housing area. We'll pan up a little. You get a little horizon. Nice shot of the apartments. The little H is maneuvering around on the bottom, which represents home point. There's the H. There's the house. We'll come down a little bit, get a better perspective of the neighborhood. Pan down. This is the zoom. Well, it's got a lot of zoom. And we'll come around and land. While I'm here, I'll zoom in, take a picture of the car. Stop recording. There we go. Unzoom. Haven't heard from Chris, so I think all is well. He's a good spotter. He's been doing it for a long time. Obstacle avoidance kicking in. It does fight. Pulling down on the stick. And finally it's landing. And there you have it. Let me go tell Chris that we're done flying. Chris, we're done flying. Yeah, so there you have it. The DJI Mini 5 Pro. There we go. Thanks, Chris. All right. There we have it. The RC2, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. One extra battery because the batteries last quite some time. I haven't really tested the full time frame, but the extended battery will probably do about 40 plus minutes, and the regular battery will probably do about maybe close to 30 minutes. I'm not a big range testing kind of person, so I don't care. But there you go. Thanks for watching.